Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale online courses with Teachable, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Teachable account. Once logged in, navigate to the Courses tab on your dashboard. Select the course you want to scale. Click on the Settings tab located in the left-hand menu. Scroll down to the Pricing section. Choose a pricing model that fits your target audience. Consider offering tiered pricing to cater to different budgets. Next, go to the Promotions tab. Create discount codes to attract new students. Set up affiliate programs to incentivize others to promote your course. Now, shift your focus to marketing. Utilize social media to build awareness about your course. Create engaging content that showcases your course benefits. Consider email marketing strategies to keep potential students informed. You can also host free webinars to attract interest. As you grow, gather testimonials from students. Display these testimonials prominently on your sales pages. Next, enhance your course content. Add supplementary materials such as worksheets and quizzes. Consider creating a community space for students to interact. This fosters a sense of belonging and encourages participation. Now, analyze your course performance. Utilize Teachable's analytics to track enrollment and engagement. Identify areas for improvement based on data trends. Finally, continuously gather feedback from your students. Use this feedback to refine your course offerings. By following these steps, you can effectively scale your online courses on Teachable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.